Hello everyone, I'm KB Kwan from TasteAsianFood.com. Now, traditionally, the Chinese likes to use kailan, bok choy, choy sum to stir fry. But broccoli has gained its popularity among the Chinese in Asia. And I cook lots of broccoli at home. You know, broccoli is perfectly matched with the flavor of beef. So in this video, I want to show you how do I prepare my version of stir-fry broccoli with beef. Keep watching. Cut the beef into about 5 centimeters wide strips. Then slice into thin pieces across the grain. Marinate the slices of beef with light soy sauce, some cooking oil, some cornstarch for about 10 to 15 minutes. Next, we prepare the stir-fry sauce. Combine the following ingredients: light soy sauce, oyster sauce, some sugar, some wine, sesame oil, and some ground white pepper. Prepare the cornstarch slurry by combining some cornstarch with some water. Coarsely chop some garlic, and some ginger. Cut the broccoli into florets. Blanch the broccoli florets in boiling water for about 2 minutes. Remove it with a pair of tongs and drain. Pan fry the beef with some oil. Until both sides are nicely brown. Saute the garlic and the ginger with some oil over medium heat. Add the broccoli into the pan. Stir fry the broccoli florets until tender crisp. Add the stir-fry sauce and combine with the ingredients. Return the beef slices to the pan. Now it comes to the final step. Stir fry over high heat for about 20 seconds. Add the cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce. Dish out and garnish with some white sesame seeds. It's done. That's how I prepare my stir-fry broccoli with beef. If you like this video, you can get the recipe that I have included in the description right below the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a like. And I'll see you again in other similar videos on this channel in the future. Bye for now.